Hey, what's up? Mr. Jumpstart here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make up to $100 per day on JVZoo.com. Now, if I helped you generate this type of revenue consistently, what would you put that money towards? Would you pay off your debt? Would you dine out more often? Would you invest in Ethereum? Or maybe you're just tired of having your boss breathing down your neck and you just want a way out. If that's the case, then you've come to the right video. Because not only will I show you how to make up to $100 per day, but if you stay with me towards the end, I'm also going to reveal how you could earn as much as $2,000 per day with the same amount of work. Best part about all of this is you don't need any technical skills, you don't need to have a massive following, and you could do this from anywhere in the world. But there's just one catch. This is only for those who are fast action takers, because success loves speed. And if you aren't one of those people, then I've got 3 words for you. Get out of here! Okay, now that those other people are gone, let's dive into the blueprint. Alright, so first things first, your very first step is you're going to want to head on over to JVZoo.com, and if you don't already have an account with these guys, you'll simply want to click on this button right here. This is Start for Free, and you want to fill out the basic information that it has you fill out to get your account set up. And once you do that, you can simply go ahead and get logged in, which when you do that, you will then be brought over to the dashboard where you could start looking for products to promote. Now, before you do that, I recommend going to the My Account section right here and click on the option here that says Payment Profiles. This will take you over to the page where you can decide how you want to set up your payments to, of course, receive your commissions that you make here, right? So you could either do the JVZoo payment method, or you could do PayPal or BlueSnap or Stripe, whatever you want to use. You could simply just click on configure on one of these, and you simply just get that set up, pretty quickly right there. But once you have all that set up, you can, of course, start looking for an offer to promote. So if we go to the affiliate section right here, and you click the option that says Find Products, this will bring you over to the marketplace where you could see exactly what's available to promote on JVZoo.com, right? So here you have tons of different products you could look into. If you want, you could even sort by like a category, so you could look into the different, niches that it has available. But just for this example, we'll look at this offer right here called Explaindio by Andrew Darius. Now, this information right here on the right shows stuff in terms of how many units it's sold, the conversion rate, the EPC, the dollar per click that it's getting on average, and then also the price, right? So right here it shows 52.88 for the price, and the commission amount shows 50%, meaning that for each sale that you get of this offer right here, you get around 25 bucks, 20 to 30 bucks that you get for each sale of this. So if your income goal is say 100 bucks per day, well, you would need at least 3 to 4 sales of this each day to hit that income goal right there. And I just want to give a friendly reminder, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you could take the same amount of work that I'm going to show you in this video to get bigger commissions. If you want to get residual income, if you want to get 200 per day or 1,000 per day or $2,000 per day, then you'll definitely want to stay with me to the end, because I'll show you exactly how you could do that and really maximize your earnings for the long term, right? So let's go ahead and let's dive further into this right here, right? So if we look at this Explaindio offer right here, it actually shows it's currently priced at 67 bucks right here. And what's great about this is for the first commission that you get, the 50% commission right there, but it looks like here they also have recurring payments as well, which is also really great, right? So to simply get access to this offer to promote, to get your own affiliate link, what you need to do is you need to first and foremost request approval from the owner of the product, right? So with JVZoo, you do need to, of course, request approval first, and you can simply do that by going to this box right here and just, write something like, so you could just write something along those lines. You just click on I've read, I'm not a robot. You could click on it, request approval, and then from there you could wait usually around 24 hours, and then you should be able to hear from them. So when you get approved, then you could simply get your affiliate link. In this case, we'll just use the default sales page link as the example. So let's say this link right here is our affiliate link. The way how this works is whenever you refer someone to this affiliate link and they decide to buy the product, you will of course get paid that commission. Now the question is, how do you go about getting people to actually buy from your link and to get those consistent sales, right? Because this is a thing that a lot of people struggle with online, is getting consistent sales online for any sort of offer, right? So the main name of the game right here is getting eyeballs to your offer. Ideally, the more clicks you can get over to your link, and my pen's not working for some reason, but the more clicks you can get over to your link and, more people that you could, of course, get in front of, then that essentially means more potential revenue for you in the long term. But here's a big mistake that I see a lot of people making when it comes to promoting offers online. A lot of people seem to think that, okay, if I just get enough people to click on my affiliate link and they just buy the offer, then immediately I'm going to start, making sales, right? But if we take a look at, these Facebook groups right here, these make money online affiliate marketing groups, what you'll notice is that there's tons of people on these groups that just spam their links, hoping that someone will click on it and they'll just buy right away and they'll just get that commission. But the problem is, most people, regardless of how great the offer is, most people will not buy the product right away, and that's just the main thing you want to think about, right? So I want you to think about this for a minute. If you've ever bought any sort of high-ticket item online, any sort of like big, expensive, for example, like these headphones that I bought right here, right? I just recently got these headphones, which I think are really good quality, right? But I paid about $200 for these. And most people, when they're looking at expensive item like this, they're not going to be ready to buy right away on the front end, right? So, typically you do some research, you learn more about what the product's all about. Maybe you go to the site, you look at, you look at some competitors, and you are not ready to buy right away, but you might be ready like a week or a month down the road. Well, that is the exact scenario with promoting an affiliate offer online, right? So ideally what you want to do is, rather than trying to get as many clicks over to your link as possible, what you want to do instead is you want to have a marketing system in place that will, of course, for one, get people to know, like, and trust you, and two, you want something where you can, of course, follow up with people down the road, right? Now, I'm going to show you kind of what this looks like, and then I'll, of course, show you how you could, of course, build this out. And if what I'm going to go over sounds like a different language to you, don't worry, because at the end, I'm going to show you how you can simply tap into something that's already pre-built, it's already proven, and you can simply model exactly what's working to start getting these high ticket paydays online, just like you see right here, right? But sales funnel looks something like this, right? So first step is you have this capture page right here that, gives some sort of teaser on what the person's gonna, of course, get if they, of course, opt in. And it's a simple web page where has a headline at the top like, hey, do you want to learn how to make $100 per day without needing any sort of technical skills or something like that? So benefit without pain, or, it could be something along those lines. And then if so, just simply enter your email down below here, and you'll get access to the video that explains how to do this, right? So when they enter their name and email here, they will get put on to your email list, right? So this will be very important if you want to, of course, build up a fan base in the long term and really get people to know, like, and trust you, so that this way, when you have this audience, you can sell anything that you want in the long term and really get consistent sales. But when they enter their email here, they get taken the next step in the funnel, which could either be directly to the affiliate offer, or you could take them to a thank you page or some sort of bridge page where you can kind of, give your story. You could either do this in written form, or you could do this in video form. You do like a simple, short, 1 to 2 minute video with your phone saying like, hey, it's Arie here, whatever. And what you're about to learn is exactly how to get, X result in X amount of time. And this product right here really helped me quite a bit. It's helped me really get phenomenal results online. And if you want to get access to this, all you have to do is simply click on the button down below here. And when they do that, they will get taken to the actual offer that you're promoting, right? So having something like this in place is really going to help, for one, building up trust with your audience. But even for those who go through this process and they don't buy right away, you could always follow up with these people down the road with your email list, and you could simply send them back to the offer at any point that you want down the road. Again, my pen is dying out for some reason. I think the battery's really dying out on this, but you get the idea, right? So you could follow up with them. You could send them back to the sales page if you want to. I'm pointing at the sales page, since my pen isn't working right now. And by doing this consistently, even though you might have 1,000 people that see it right away, they're not ready to buy, you might have someone that's, a month down the road that might be ready to buy. And when they do that, then you, of course, get paid that commission right there, right? So this is really the importance of having this in place. And if you want to build out a sales funnel yourself, you could either use a software like ClickFunnels or Kartra, or the alternative is to get access to the exact same system that I'm leveraging and many others are to get these high ticket commissions online. But I'll, of course, talk more about that a little bit later on this video. Now, once you have your sales funnel in place, you have your marketing system, then it really comes down to driving traffic over to your capture page and getting people onto this page right here, right? So there's a couple different ways you can go about this, and I'm going to show you one free way of doing this and one paid method of doing this, right? So in the past, in past tutorials, I've talked a lot about YouTube, and YouTube is, of course, really great because it's allowed me to build up a following, and really get consistent sales online. However, the one downside with YouTube is that it's becoming a lot more competitive now, especially in like the make money online space. So for that reason, I would highly recommend right now to start looking into TikTok, because TikTok, although not, it wasn't like something that I'm the biggest fan of, it's something that I'm just recently getting into myself. And just from like 2 videos alone that I posted, I'll even show it to you right here. Just with 2 videos alone, I already got up to like 15 followers right here, or like 2 videos I posted. I'm just recently getting into this platform right here, but I want to show you exactly what's possible when you're consistent on this platform right here, right? So here's someone by the name of Olivia, and she just recently started posting, like, I want to say like a month or 2 ago, very recently. And within the first like month or 2, she's already built a following of up to 248,000 people that are watching her videos, and she's getting tons of sales with this exact method right here, right? So what's great about this is you could film very short videos, like less than a minute long. And what's great about this is in a lot of these videos, you don't even have to talk, right? So if I click on, this one, for example, you'll see it just has, music in the background. And yeah, if I mute that right there, just to avoid copyright, it's just, some text on the screen right here, and it has some sort of call to action to check out her #1 recommended programs. So you could either have that linked either in, the comments right here, or you could even have it linked in your TikTok bio, as you can see that she has right here, right? So this is a great way of getting lots of traffic, very high quality traffic for free, and you could build a massive following with this very quickly. So there's a massive opportunity on TikTok, and when you have a following on here, you could use this to promote any product that you want in the long term, and this will always give you a massive advantage is when you have a following built on any platform in the long term, right? Now, the alternative to this, if you don't want to do videos, if you don't want to get on camera, if you don't want to do organic traffic, and if you don't want to take the time to build up a following and you just want, much faster traffic, then I highly recommend looking into a source called Traffic Authority. This I just recently started using for like the first time myself, and this has gotten me really great results. It's got me a really good opt-in rate, so I have an order currently running from them. It's just about ending right now, but I got 990 clicks from them, like about 1,000 clicks, and from these clicks I was getting like a 30% opt-in rate with this exact traffic right here, right? So these leads that I got from Traffic Authority are people that, some will be able to buy, right away, but obviously for those who aren't, I could simply follow up with them. I could send them another email using Kartra, for example. This is what I use, and this is a really great way of getting lots of traffic very quickly, right? So here you could simply just pay for the amount of clicks that you want. Just select a package. For example, if you buy like silver, the silver package, it's $660 right here, and you can get about 500 to 570 clicks, right? So you just select the package you want, give them the link to your capture page that you want to promote, and then here you simply just complete the transaction right there, and they will start sending you clicks over to your link on your behalf, right? So this is everything that I want to show you in terms of how to get sales with JVZoo. But in terms of getting these high ticket sales online, like, monthly residual income, if you want to get $200 per day, if you want to get $1,000 per day, or $2,000 in a single day, then ideally you want to have a system that will pay you bigger commissions, right? So you could take everything that I showed you in this video, and if you want, you could promote any offer on JVZoo, or if you want to get much bigger earnings, then I highly recommend checking out the system that's going to be linked down below. And for a very limited time, I'm currently offering bonuses such as one-on-one coaching if you decide to watch this video all the way through and you take action within the next 30 days. I've got bonus like one-on-one coaching. I've also provided additional coaching calls, like, these Q&A sessions to really help fine-tune your strategy and really get you in that right mindset, and also help you get on the path to getting long-term consistent sales online. You'll also get access to additional training like Facebook Organic, YouTube SEO, tons of other marketing trainings you could simply use, as well as my own personal training that I put here and my own YouTube training that I included right here, right? So tons of really cool stuff that I'm offering right here. And all you have to do to get access to this is visit the link down below, enter your email on that page, and watch this video right here. Watch it all the way through to get all the details on how you could start earning commissions going up to $2,000 per day online. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give us a thumbs up. And if you're ready to get these high ticket commissions online, then go ahead, visit that link below, get started today, and my friend, I will see you on the inside. Take care.